A decade ago, making money on Instagram was a pipe dream for many people and not that sustainable for others. For example, travel creator Gabby Beckford made about $2,000 from her Instagram content in 2014. Fast forward to 2024, Gabby now makes hundreds of thousands of dollars from her Instagram content. Whether you have 3,000 or 300,000 followers on Instagram, making money is likely a major concern for you. And that's why in this video, I'm sharing 8 ways you can make money on Instagram in 2024. But first, if you don't know me, you've never seen my face before, hi, I'm Tammy Oladipo. I'm a content writer here at Buffer, and I spend way too much time on Instagram. So whether you're just curious or you seriously want to know how to make money from your Instagram content, stick around. Let's get into it. First up, sponsored content. You've definitely seen this scrolling through your Instagram feed, creators partnering with brands to share their products. This is one of the most straightforward ways to earn money on Instagram. You likely don't need me to tell you this, but let's share an example of what a sponsored post might look like. Chloe Shi is a finance and career focused creator who seamlessly integrates her financial and career advice with product promotion to her audience. She does an excellent job of this and is a perfect example of one of the first tips that I always share to people who are considering doing sponsored posts, which is to pick partnerships with brands that really align with your niche, your content pillars, and with your audience. The key to success with sponsored posts is authenticity. Your audience should feel like it's a natural integration with what you're already sharing on your Instagram. My main piece of advice when considering doing sponsored posts is to always disclose your partnerships. Transparency both builds trust with your audience and keeps you on the right side of regulations. Your second option for monetization is paid subscriptions. Instagram has a native subscriptions feature, or you can use third party tools like Patreon or FanViews to offer exclusive content to your audience for a fee. Next up, let's talk about going live. Instagram Live is a fantastic way to connect with your audience in real time, and with the introduction of badges, it's also a great way to make money. Take Ronnie Brown, for example. She made over $1,000 using Instagram Live badges in just 1 week. If you meet the eligibility requirements, such as having 10,000 followers, go to your settings and turn on the option to enable live badges. Treat it like you would any event. Promote it ahead of time, engage with your audience during, and thank your supporters after. It goes a long way. Now, let's talk about selling your own products and services. Whether you're selling physical or digital products or even services like coaching, Instagram can be a powerful tool for making sales. Let's take Lillian Zheng, for example. Lillian sells an income and expense tracker for about $14.99 and has reportedly sold over 1,000 copies. That's over $15,000 made just from one product sold directly through her Instagram. So if you're a creator who has something to sell, consider maybe setting up an Instagram shop or tagging your products and services in places like your bio or in your stories. The key is to make it easy for users to buy directly from you wherever you're selling. Affiliate marketing is another powerful way to monetize your Instagram presence. By sharing affiliate links or promo codes, you can earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your unique link. A perfect example of a creator who succeeded with affiliate marketing is Janisha Moore, who earned over $100,000 just from affiliate marketing in 2023. She effectively uses her Instagram bio and stories, making it easy for her followers to shop through her recommendations. Like Janisha, place your affiliate links strategically in your link in bio, in your stories, and share promo codes in your post captions. And finally, remember to always disclose affiliate relationships to keep trust with your audience. Next up is digital products, which deserve their own spotlights. From expense trackers to Lightroom presets to online courses, digital products are a fantastic way to generate income on Instagram. One of my favorite examples of great digital products is Natasha Ahmed, who went viral for her scrapbook templates, and now she sells it for £15 on her website. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and you can sell them repeatedly without worrying about things like inventory or shipping. If I wanted to make money on Instagram, digital products would be my number one choice. Now, if you've got expertise in a particular area, why not develop and teach an online course? It's a great way to monetize your knowledge while providing real value to your audience. Sophia Elise, a six-figure freelancer, shares her freelancing knowledge through an online course. She uses Instagram Reels to build anticipation and attract students to her program. Courses require a lot of upfront work, but the rewards can be substantial. If you've got something valuable to share, start planning your course today. Last on our list, but certainly not least, consider joining Instagram's creator marketplace. This tool is a game changer for connecting with brands and securing partnerships. By joining the Creator Marketplace, you increase your visibility to brands and can easily manage collaborations in one place. This feature is currently in beta, but it's worth checking out if you're eligible. And that's our list. Those are 8 ways you can make money on Instagram in 2024. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned creator, I'm sure there's something here for everyone. And if there's not, please let me know in the comments. If you found this content helpful, leave a like. And if you really like this video, consider subscribing. We're working on more videos like this, so if there's any topic that you would like us to cover, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.